Hey y'all, good morning. It is Sunday. I just made it to church. I am about to eat my breakfast really quick, and then head on in. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say that food was amazing. Okay, that pizza was amazing. If y'all are in Texas and have never had a Donato's Pizza, definitely go check them out. They are in Frisco. I say that it's the best pizza in the world. As far as that chocolate bar goes, it's definitely an acquired taste. The pistachio in the middle, I did like it. The middle wasn't as sweet, but the chocolate was good. All in all, I'll give it like a 7.5 out of 10. Will I be going to break my neck to go buy it again? No. Absolutely not. Especially not a bar of chocolate for $20. No thank you. But it was good. It was a great experience. I definitely enjoyed myself last night. I just finished watching my TV show and chilled out. Just, I was excited that I was able to eat pizza and chocolate, because I was very dedicated, committed, and disciplined when it came to what I ate on that 6-week challenge. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to take a break, or if like I didn't work out yesterday and I'm not going to work out today, or if I might just start a new program on Monday. I really wanted to do Kiera the Leader's Squattober program. I did it last year, and I believe the year before that, but I wasn't able to do it this year because I was doing another challenge. So I might do that because I haven't squatted in a while, and I want to see where my depth is and all that good stuff and work my way up while eating clean. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. That's all that's on my mind. I'm about to eat real quick, like I said, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, I just finished with my client. I'm tired, super tired, ready to get home and get in the bed. I gotta be back here at 6:30 tomorrow morning. So I'm trying to clean up real quick so I can be out. Okay, out of here. I will clean my utensils in the morning. Y'all don't do this. Don't do as I do. Do as I, wait, what is it? Do as I say, not as I do. Because baby, I am out of here. Hey y'all, it's Monday and I just came home from work. My cycle I did not want to pick up the camera this morning. I didn't want to get up. I didn't want to do 2 clients' hair, and I did. So I wanted a sweet treat, a healthier option. So I'm going to be baking some brownies made with sweet potato, cocoa powder, whole wheat flour, and that's it. Put a little agave in there and some chocolate chips, and we're gonna see how this tastes. I am excited. Right now, let me show you. I am steaming the sweet potatoes. So waiting on that. The guy said 20 minutes. So here is a 1/4 cup of agave. agave. Right on in here. Okay, here is the coconut oil. It said 1/4. Okay, so, oh crap. Okay, so 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Oh crap. It's getting real messy. Real messy. Okay. A pinch of salt. And let's go ahead and stir this right on up. But okay, I got some dark chocolate. I said 1/2 cup, so hold on. Okay, so 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I have the dark. This is what it's looking like so far. I have my parchment paper just because I don't want it to stick to the bread, the loaf pan. So pouring it in just a little bit. Y'all gonna see my little bit and like, girl, that's a lot of bit. Okay, so I put my little chocolate chips on top. They falling. Hold on. They falling. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for, let me see, 25 minutes. Let it cool for 20 minutes and store in fridge. Okay, so here we go. This is the brownie. It's not like super sweet. It's very rich. I like it. It's like a healthy snack. Like, it's not your regular brownie, you can tell, but it's pretty good. I like the texture. The texture is definitely like, I don't want to say mushy, but it's very soft. Very soft. I guess the sweetness also depends on, I use agave. I want to try this again, and I'm going to use maple syrup, and I use the dark chocolate chip. I want to try the milk chocolate chip. I think that will make it sweeter if you like really sweet stuff. But I like this. This is good. It's definitely satisfying the craving that I had. And I don't feel as guilty because it has clean ingredients and I made it. So, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, and it's warm and gooey. Man, I really want to eat my ice cream with it right now, but it's only $4.25, and this is my husband Friday, if y'all didn't already know. Okay, but yeah, I think I'm about to go to the gym so that I can work up a good appetite. Hopefully Mother Nature calms her ass down, because I'm about to go hard. I'm about to start Squattober, and we finna have a good workout so I can come home and eat good My meal prep is already ready, of course. And then I want another, you know what I'm saying, brownie with my pistachio. Let me show y'all. With my pistachio Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Y'all, this is up there with pecan pie. I don't know what it is, but I've been loving pistachio, like, absolutely. Absolutely. So yeah, that is that for right now. Definitely don't know if I'm gonna take y'all in the gym with me. We'll see. I don't know. I don't like the attention. I really don't. And especially today, I don't feel like my social battery is just like at its lowest, okay? And sometimes when I pull out a camera, or when people pull out a camera in general, people, oh, do you have social media? Oh, what are you recording? Oh, what are you doing? None of your damn business. It's like, nah, but for real, but no, it's like that. Anyway, let me go ahead and get dressed because I was tired. I really was, but I'm gonna save that for tonight. I'm gonna save that for tonight and just, you know, I'm gonna save that for tonight. Go to bed early. All right, y'all, we made it to the gym. I am just about to, I already drank my pre-workout because I'm feeling so fatigued. But I wanted to start my next program today and keep this journey going. So I decided to come and say F it. I almost always work out on my cycle anyway. I feel like once you do it, it's like a breakthrough, and then you'll be good to go like for the rest of the time that you're on. So ladies, work out on your cycle. It is okay, and you can do it. If you need a little help, go ahead and get you some pre-workout, some BCAAs. Do what you need to do. Do what's best for you, because at the end of the day, you the only one that you gotta answer to. But yeah, whatever the hell that means. If you feel me, comment below and let me know you feel me. You know what I'm saying? If you made it this far, if y'all actually be watching, somebody gonna be watching. Somebody gonna be down to be nosy enough. So, you know, I'ma be delusional. Like y'all watching my vlogs. Like I got thousands of views or whatever. This is Introverse. It is recovery, strength, hydration. While I work out, I drink this while I'm working out. So this helps. This helps. Do what's best for you. Alright? Not to mention, I was freaking riding around here for like 5-10 minutes trying to find a park. That's the only thing about going to the gym I go to. I definitely am going to find me a public gym ASAP for a number of reasons. Like, but this cuts the cake. This be cutting the cake. The gym is huge, but the parking lot be tiny as heck. Okay? Look, people just waiting for people to come out the gym so that they could follow them to their car and get a parking spot, because that's the only way you're gonna get it.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Always remember, go ahead. If it's not parallel or below parallel, it does not count. It's not a squat.
Almost lost my mind. couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Just for tomorrow, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Y'all, when I tell you I earned my brownie and my ice cream tonight, like, first day of Squattober, I did the damn thing, okay? I finished and I even went in a sauna for 20 minutes. So I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm ready to get home and eat. I actually feel better, like my stomach is not hurting anymore. But yeah, it was a success. I'm so happy, I'm so proud of myself. This is dinner. I told y'all, mushroom, green beans, brown rice, and what is it called? Chicken shawarma. Thighs. So good. I'm about to eat so I can get my desserts. You feel me? See, when you eat clean, you won't feel guilty. You know what I'm saying? You can do both. You can still have your sweets, and you can still eat what you want and enjoy. This is so good, so I keep running this back. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Especially when you gotta go. Good morning, y'all. I just got to the salon. I am so tired. I have 2 clients. My first client is getting a treatment and a trim. Treatment, shampoo, trim. And then my second client is getting stitch braids. I believe I am washing his hair or I am just blowing it out. But like I always say, if my clients are comfortable, you guys will be able to see them. If not, you won't. Y'all, it's official, like a referee with a whistle. I'm going home. My flight leaves Thursday at 6 a.m. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to see my family. I finished in the gym. Today was just cardio, core, and stretching. I did some foam rolling because your girl is sore. That was it. Quick and easy. Out of here. Finna head home to eat, clean, and pack. Okay. Okay, so the weight line isn't too bad. However, we do have a little bit of breakage. So, I mean, your weight line is here. So, is it okay to go ahead?
Yeah, you do what you know more than I do. I don't know what's going on.
Adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take everything. Going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But Please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
Last little snip, snip, and we are done.
Better already. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come start driving back because I don't trust nobody.
Yeah, I definitely get it. Trust me. I'm still trying to find me a good stylist. It is so hard. So hard. I'll tell you. Some people just don't know how to style hair. Like really take care of hair. And it's so frustrating. It really is. Okay. So, okay, so here's the or. And she's clean.
Yay! Thank you.
Absolutely. I'm gonna send this to you so we'll know. This is her after picture, you guys.
Trust is what I can do, cause he made me new, and he paid me too. Things I used to do, that I shouldn't do, all of them he took. Now I lift my eyes to the sky, like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the Adonai. I'm good.
Her grandson, JJ, then a couple of hours later.
Good job.
All right.
2 charges of conspiracy to conceal.
Y'all, I'm done doing hair. Well, until Friday, because my sister is spoiled, so she's getting her hair done when I go home. Okay. But other than that, your girl is done. I'm here at the gym. I don't feel like being here. I'm tired. However, I ran out of my pre-workout too, so I had to get this. So we needed a little bit of that. Just a little bit. I got that sour green apple. Ooh. Day 3 of Squattober. Today we are doing barbell front squats, barbell hip thrusts, reverse lunges, etc. Don't want to give the whole program out, but yeah. My abs are already sore from Saturday. I worked out Saturday and they are still sore. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this and I'll come back in a minute. Ooh, that's Hey y'all, good morning. I just arrived to the airport. I am about to park my car at the parking spot. Always do. Drive your car. Them Ubers are too expensive. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's like 4:20 and I am on time, baby. On time. I have global, so I'll be able to cut right through if there is any what am I trying to say? If there's a lot of people. But yeah, let me go ahead and get in here and find me a parking spot. Hey y'all, I am in the airport. We're about to start boarding. It's almost 5:30. And I'm tired. I have to go to Baltimore first, which is like, I think 3 hours. And then I'm headed to Ohio. So, yeah, I'm already sleepy and ready to go. Even though my sister told me the food is already going to be done. So I'm not excited about that. But yeah, I'm about to consolidate. I think my camera bag and put it in my suitcase. Yeah, that's it.
I'm in awe. Oh my god. You gon' amaze me. You're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way. Cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes. And I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't compatible.
Hey y'all, I made it. I'm here, Columbus, Ohio. I'm just waiting on my Lyft ride. When I tell y'all it is freezing cold, I had to bring out the North Face and my little ear things, my ponytail in a way, so I can't even keep my ear things down. But we made it. Happy Thanksgiving. Ooh, I can't wait to see my family. Everybody's cooking and meal prepping and stuff still, so it's only about 12 o'clock, so yeah, food's let me find my Uber, my Lyft ride before he cancel on me. Hey y'all, I made it to my sister's house. Or whatever. Oh Lord.
She made it to my house, guys.
That's all you're gonna say.
What's up, guys? Y'all ain't see me in the vlog in a minute. Subscribe to me.
Tell them what it is.
Hold on. I gotta pull it back up.
How you gonna not know?
Cause it's like the great new era or something. Cause I'm like that.
I'll put it across the screen. Support my nephew, y'all. Go watch
It's this right here.
his channel. They can't see it.
Here I come. Turn the brightness down.
That's not gonna work either.
Oh, I'm on the wrong part. I'm tripping.
How many times you gonna make me edit that part? I'm not editing it out either.
But yeah, guys.
We
Got a
just
video coming.
chilling, waiting for the food. I'm hungry.
We playing the game.
And playing the game. You gonna teach me how to play?
Yes.
Who, come here. What you about to do? Dip in something else? Happy Thanksgiving! Ouch! Ow, dude, was that your nail? Come here, Dad. Happy Thanksgiving, family. I love you guys. Dad, put your head in it. Come on. Come over here. Jelly. Jelly. Oh my gosh. Trying to get everybody in the video. Jelly bean. He said jelly bean. Who used to call mommy that?
No,
Grandma.
Yeah.
You will be trapped. Malachi, why are you trapping me?
They playing the game. What are y'all talking about?
Huh? Just made this dude quit, bro. He trying to take my dad side now. I ain't gonna lie, he won. But I had weak old Billy. I'm about to get my rookie. You got LSU?
28, nah.
Oh, I'm about to say. You got LSU?
No, I got LSU. Don't wear my logout. And record this whole game because I'm about to win.
I ain't recording the whole game.
Come on, dude.
Bro, you come on. You the home team.
Baby, I just want, yeah. Hey, go crazy. Good morning, y'all. It is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm about to do my sister's hair. Of course, we're gonna do some boho knotless with some human hair. Period.
Be careful.
But yeah, so I'll let y'all see me do her hair, whatever. It's currently 11:15, so we're gonna see how long this takes. Walking in my camera. Come say hi. Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning, vlog.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning to the vlog that
Good morning.
come over here.
I look a hot mess.
You always do.
Now I'm really not.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. I get it. But no, I'm just getting ready, prepping the hair and stuff.
Morning vlog.
Thank you.
He's coffee.
They towering over me now. They getting so big. So I'm gonna use 32-inch because my sister's hair is super duper long already, long and thick. So we didn't, and she don't want it that long. So we're not gonna use long hair, okay? We're just not gonna do it. We're not gonna do it.
I can tell the story of how I've overcome. Dark were the days I didn't know the sun. Numb to the thought of love, and so I chose to run. But yeah, call me home, and so his will be done. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. No greater love. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Feeling far away, but I'm close to you. You know me by my name, but I chose the world instead of you. Had no clue why the days were so blue. Only if I recognize you're not a man that you should lie with him. There's hope for tomorrow with him. There's joy in sorrow. There is no greater love than this. I find peace in knowing I'm here. Walking all alone on this weary road. Heavy burdens on my shoulders with no one to bear the load. Thought I could do it by myself. Guess I was wrong. Then I heard a small voice say, this time you don't need to be strong. There's hope for tomorrow.
Hey y'all, it's a bittersweet moment. I'm headed home. I'm so happy, but I'm not. But I had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We about to be at the airport, and then I'm about to be home. Straight shot. No connecting flights this time. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah. Hey y'all, and hey y'all. Just like that, we are back in Dallas. I just landed. I'm at the parking spot. I am about to head home. Actually no, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and get me some groceries because I'm gonna meal prep, and then I'm going to go to the gym and work off this, or no, put these Thanksgiving carbs to some use, okay? Some good use. And we're gonna be back on track. Today I'm gonna have to do 2 days. I'm gonna have to do my recovery and sprints, and also we are going to be lifting weights today. I don't know what it looks like on a Saturday, so we're gonna see if I'm gonna take y'all with me or not, or if I'm just gonna close out the vlog here. But either way it go, I'm just gonna go ahead and say I want to thank you guys so very much for watching, and happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next vlog.